So, you might be wondering why it's been 9 months since my last upload, and I promise it does make sense once you see how much I have had to do since then. I didn't stop working, I just wanted to do a little more than Island Sumo this time. For these last 9 months, I have been working relentlessly to finish my next animated project, and it's set in the universe of No Man's Sky. From the beginning, this was a much more ambitious task than my last animation. One of the hardest challenges came at the beginning of the project, when I had to figure out a way to get characters from No Man's Sky into Blender, which is the free 3D software that I use. Thankfully, there were people out there who had already solved this problem for me. Enter the No Man's Sky modding community. There's some brilliant people out there who created tools that allowed me to import assets from the game directly into Blender without any problems. After I figured out how to do that, I wrote a script that started with only 4 scenes, but the scope grew really fast, and now I have 19 planned, and there are 15 that are already in the works. All of the textures so far have been made in Blender using its built-in node system. I made the rigs by hand, finally ending with the ones that I am most happy with, at about version 9 for the Traveler and version 4 for Polo. I modeled the ship by hand, but there was a good chance that I'll have to redo it because it's not great, and I really want to have the standards of the quality high for this. I ended up going through over 25 different lighting and world versions to get a moderately good looking first scene. Other scenes have taken a lot less time for me to become happy with them. I have one that's set in dystopia that ties into the autophage lore, which I'm super happy with on only about the fourth version. As far as the actual animation goes, however, very little has actually happened. Early on, I decided that I wanted to have music and voice acting done for every shot before I animated it, which is why so little has happened on that front. Despite the lack of progress with animation, musically, things are going very well. I've written a few pieces as of right now, and I'm currently working on getting audio recordings for them. I will also hopefully finish the script at some point soon and get a voice actor for the main character so I can start animation on him as well. An unbelievable amount of effort has gone into making this project a reality, and there are hundreds of things that I haven't even told you because the comment section will be full of nerd emojis if I keep speaking about Blender for any longer. To end, I would like to give my thanks to everyone who has supported me on this journey. My friends, my family, and all the people who listen when I tell them all about it. These people who care about what I'm doing are the only thing keeping me from stopping. Without you, this project would not be where it is today. Thank you.